Great Scott! Traveling the time is possible. Seriously, inspired by the most iconic film, LEGO has launched the new 3-in-1 set of replica of the most famous DeLorean car in the world, the LEGO Back to the Future Time Machine. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming video, and if you want, take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. Since its release, Back to the Future becomes a cult film and a favorite for generations of fans all over the world. The iconic saga Back to the Future by Robert Zemeckis and Steven Spielberg see the main character Marty McFly, played by Michael J. Fox, to travel in the time with the DeLorean time machine created by the Doc Brown, played by Christopher Lloyd, getting involved in a time chain reaction that could trap him in the past and erase his future. As anticipated at the beginning, now to celebrate the films, LEGO has launched the new LEGO Back to the Future Time Machine set, identified by SKU 10300 number, allows builders to create the car in all its 3 variants come from the movies. For build, each model will need a whole of the 1872 pieces of the full set. Each model measures over 11 cm of height, 35.5 cm of width, and 19 cm of depth. The set 10,300 include among the pieces the 2 LEGO minifigures of Marty McFly and the Doc Brown, a light-up flux capacitor, a box of plutonium, a banana, and a tin can to power the Mr. Fusion device, the Marty overboard, and the sweepable license plates. The Back to the Future Time Machine is a super detail from the exterior in all elements, as the wheels that fall down for flight mode, the opening gull wing doors, the iconic light-up flux capacitor, to the interior with printed dashboard lights. The new LEGO Back to the Future Time Machine 10,300 set will be available at a retail price of $169.99 or €169.99 or £149.99 at LEGO stores from 1st April 2022. In addition, LEGO has created a Back to the Future animated short, a new adventure for Doc and Marty. Huge thanks for watching up to here. As always, let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.